Hello everyone, I will tell you that in this lecture that how you can create a bar plot. For example, I have some data like from x is equal to from 1 to 10 and y have some numbers like 22, 3, 44, 20, 32, 23, 11, 3, 5, 55, 7, 4, 19. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So there are 11 numbers. Now when I write bar x comma y, I get this type of result. This is a bar plot. So these are the height of the bar represent the frequency of that number. Some stuff like that. We can change its properties like we have previously done, in the case of the in the creation of plots. So you can, when you click it, you will see that there are multiple different type of options available. You can change it whatever you like, but at this moment I want to plot as bars. So here I can change its color, I can change the color of its outline, I can change the width of the line that is outside. So I can, so this is various type of widths. I can change its color to another. When I click here, you can see that I can change the color of its background, and I just like white color. And if you want to change the size of the font, you can change its size. I want the Time New Roman font. So now you can save it with the high quality. So I am going to increase it with 600 dot per inch, and I want its size to be, width to be 5 inches and the height to be 6 and 4. And I apply this to the figure, and I am going to save it. Bar plot. You will see the bar plot over here. Let's save it again. I have committed some mistake. So this is the bar plot. I cannot see it. So this is the bar plot. Now you can see the quality of this plot is so high that if I zoom it, you will see that still the edges are fine and there is no any sort of, you can see that the quality is very high. So through this way you can create a very high quality bar plots in Matlab. Thank you so much.